welcome to my channel. For today's video is how to customize YouTube channel 2022. To customize your YouTube channel, first you need to log into your YouTube channel account, then go to YouTube Studio. Then at the left side, click Customization. So this is where you can customize your YouTube channel. First, for the layout, you can add a video trailer for the people who haven't subscribed to your channel. So you will click these three dots. You can change video or remove the video. Next, for the featured video for the returning subscribers, so you can click the three dots, change video or remove the video. Then for the featured sections, you can add another section here. So customize the layout of your channel homepage with up to 12 sections. For the member recognition, so show the profile pictures of randomly selected members. So this section will appear if you have 8 members or more. Next is the branding. So branding, here you can change your profile picture, you can remove. Then for the banner image, you can change your banner image. Then for the size is 2048 by 1152 pixels. Then for the video watermark, so the video watermark will appear on your videos on the right hand corner of the video player. So you can display in the end of the video, custom start time, or the entire video. So you can change, remove. So anytime you can update your branding. Next is basic info. Basic info is all about your channel description, what it is all about your channel, what type of video you are going to upload on your YouTube channel. Then for the language, you can add your language here. Then channel URL is your URL of your channel, and then you can copy the URL so that you can share it to your friends and family. Then for the links, you can add links if you have a website or any social media links you want to share to your viewers. So the number of links you want to display, so you can display links until 5 links. Then contact info is your email address. This is the sample of banner, or they called it channel art. This blue, and then this is all the links. I added my social media links, my Facebook page, life and family blog, and 5G online shopping, and the one here is the subscriber link. So if you will click or someone click this link, they automatically go to my Facebook page, and this one you will go to my YouTube channel. Before, when I was new to YouTube, I used Paint to create this channel art. So you can create your own channel art or banner as long as you know the size. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.